Hello children. Now I am going to explain you the last stanza in this poem, the ball poem. Till now you have seen the two stanzas. You have understood. What is that? The ball has gone into the water. The boy is staring at the ball. He wants that ball only, but he can't take. Why he is thinking of that ball? Because all his childhood memories are towards that ball. When he sees the ball, he remembers all his childhood memories. Now he lost all his childhood memories. What he feels that he lost all his childhood memories with that ball. Okay, he feels that of loss. That was the first loss. Okay, whatever till now he had in his possessions, whatever items, possessions means in his items, whatever toys or whatever he had, the first toy he was missing is the ball. That was the first item which he is missing it. With that ball, all the childhood memories are related. So he is feeling very sad, staring. Then poet is saying, no use if I go and interfere in that boy. Arey boy, don't worry. I'll give some amount. You buy the another ball. Why are you worried of that ball? If I say also, he will not listen. He is in that state. What is the poet saying? He is in that state. He is not. He is in a state that he doesn't listen to anyone. He is not ready to listen to anyone. Waste. If I say also, it is useless. It is worthless. Okay, till now we heard. Now what is in the last stanza? What is the last stanza telling? Let us see here. In a world of possessions, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always, little boy. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of laws, how to stand up knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. Here what the poet is saying is, in his world of possessions, whatever items he had, that was the first item he lost. So now he is making himself to stand up. He's making himself to come out of the loss. Okay, the boy is making himself to stand up means come out of the loss. In a world of possessions, people will take balls and balls will be lost always, little boy. See what he's saying is, many losses will come. How the ball is going? If not this ball, another ball. Like if not, again this ball also falls, another ball. If not this ball, one by one, like balls and balls, the lives, the people of the sorrows in the life come again and again. They come, they go, they come, they go. We have to stand up. We should not stick on to that problems only. We have to stand brave. We have to be courageous and come out of the problem. We should not stick out to that problem. People will take balls and balls will be lost always, little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Now see what he's saying is, once the sweet memories are gone, can you buy with the money? You can't buy. That is only we have to identify here. What the boy's feeling is, once my sweet memories, my childhood memories are gone, again I can't buy with the money. The poet is saying, once his memories are gone, his ball is gone, his childhood favorite item he is missing. Again, can he buy with the money the same ball? He can't buy. So money is external. Money will not help. The emotions, the feelings, the childhood sweet memories will not come back with the money. What the poet is saying. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. If you put money also, you can't buy. Okay. Once I lost my father. Now if I pay money, will he come back? No. I lost the money in somewhere Iran. Will I pay? No. Did it come back? No. I came back to my India. I am leading my life. If I stick on to, array, my money lost. If I stick on to that, will it come back? No. So children, what is the poet saying is, though we get the problems, we have to overcome. We have to stand up and solve our problems. He is learning. Now this boy is learning how to stand up. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. His eyes are full of tears. Okay. Hopeless. His eyes are showing hopeless. But he has to stand up. The epistemology of laws means, epistemology means episteme is a Greek word which means knowledge. You should have the knowledge of laws. When you face a loss, how should you face? See children, I lost my government post in 2 marks. I cried. Left. 1 month passed, 2 months passed. I stopped reading for few days. I was not able to sleep. That was hurting in my heart. It was a lot pain. Now also if I think, if I would have got 2 marks, now I would have got a job of 80,000 salary. I would have got a job of 80,000 salary. I lost in 2 marks. I felt. Now what? Now also it clicks in my heart. But if I sit with that problem, array, I lost my job, I lost my job, I lost my job. If I still go on crying, it is, can I survive in this life? No. Then what I felt, oh, I have to still work hard. There are people who are more working hard than me, so I should work hard still, and I have to gain that spirit, to gain that knowledge. So he felt like that. We should feel like that. Okay, we should overcome our problems. We should not sit with that problems. We should try to solve our problems and stand up in the life, children. That is only life. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of loss. When there is a loss, how to stand up, he is learning. Okay, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. Some people will learn soon how to come up over the problems, how to solve, how to come out of the problems. They will learn soon. But some people will, for some people it takes time. They can't come out of that problems, but one day they try slowly, and they overcome it. So knowing what every man must one day know is, everyone must know problems will come. What he should know, every person must know that problems will come in everyone's life. You don't think your friend is happy, I am not happy, your friend is rich, I am not rich. Never think like that. One day you also will get, but you have to face, you should be ready to face the problems. Okay, you try to work hard and try to overcome it. Your friend is earning much means she's working hard, so she's earning. Your friend is trying to gain more marks means she's working hard, she's trying. So you also work hard, then you also will get good marks. Okay, children? So one day, knowing what every man must know one day is, and most know many days how to stand up. After some days, tensions, problems, at last they will understand, we have to overcome these problems in this way. Now by getting, you get 70%, next you work hard, again you get 75, 80, 85. At last you will know, once when you get 95 marks, you will know, yes, what mistake I am doing, how should I come up in my life, how should I overcome my problems, how if I read I'll get more score. You will get one idea. By facing the problems, you must be ready to face the problem. When you face the problems, you will get one idea how to overcome it. So one day you will realize how to stand up in your life. Okay, children, we should not stick on to the problems only. We should not stick on to one item only. Array, my dress, I lost my dress, I lost my ball. No, you should not stick on. If not that, something other will come. You have to go on thinking like that. Okay, don't stick to one thing only. Change your mindset and change your ideas and go on freely. Okay, children? So you learned some lesson or moral from this. The ball had taught you something, isn't it? Don't sit with the corona. You can come out. Okay, now what is this? Possession means ownership, your own items. External means here things which feelings are not attached. Desperate means hopeless. Epistemology, it is a Greek word. Episteme is a Greek word. Word episteme means knowledge. Okay, children? Now let us go to the literary devices. Literary devices are alliteration, use of sound B at the start of two consecutive words. Buys a ball back. Alliteration. Okay, consonant, sound. Okay, next assonance, use of vowel sound. E, he is learning well behind his desperate eyes. See, all E sound is here. Next, repetition. Ball, word is repeated. Ball, balls and balls, repeated. The word is repeated. In every line, if a word is repeated in the same line, it is called repetition. Rhyme scheme. There is no rhyme scheme here. It is a blank words. When there is no rhyme scheme, see, one letter, take, boy, external eyes, up, no, up. Okay, so no word is rhyming here. So this poem doesn't have any rhyme scheme. It is a blank verse. When there is no rhyme scheme, it is called a blank verse. I think you have understood the poem. You can read in the material. Okay, children, bye. We shall meet you in the next video. Bye.